Saitech and welcome back to my channel Saitech. And today's related to do the PUBG gameplay graphics comparison between the Realme 6 versus the Poco X3 device. Yes friends, a lot of users did ask me this kind of question. Can you please compare these both phones in terms of the PUBG graphics gameplay? So which phone has got what type of graphics? So right now I'm trying to use the PUBG, which is a version of 1.5, as you can see. Exactly, this is a PUBG version which I'm trying to use. So both phones I did install same kind of PUBG version only. But now let's see which phone has got what type of default graphics settings. The processor which is present in the Realme 6 is of MediaTek Helio G90T processor, and the processor in the Poco X3 is of Snapdragon 732G processor. So this is completely different kind of processors which both phones they do have. But with the latest update, let's see friends which phone has got what type of result. That is what this video is about. And even I'll try to do a separate comparison with the Realme Narzo 30 Pro as well, in case if you want me to do. So a lot of users, I'm getting plenty of questions regarding the Poco X3 versus Realme Narzo 30 Pro. So which phone is best for the gaming and which phone should we buy below 15,000? That is what the questions I'm getting plenty of them. So now let me to exactly show you first what is the default settings which are present in the Poco X3. So without using any kind of GFX tool. So during this process of demonstration, there is no GFX tools used. So right now I'm getting about smooth and ultra, and balanced and ultra, HD and high. There is no HDR option, as you can see friends. So absolutely only you can play at smooth and ultra with the 40 FPS only during this time of gameplay, which is possible in the Poco X3. That's a kind of really disappointment. So let's see in the Realme 6, which is of Helio G90T processor, what this phone can have. So this is the exact setting: smooth and extreme, balanced and ultra, HD and ultra, HDR and ultra, and ultra HD. So that's fantastic friends. So in the HD as well, you can actually play HD and ultra as well. That's really great, as you can see in the Helio G90T. Not only that, you can actually play with the smooth and extreme to have the 60 FPS, because usually in the Poco X3 you do get only 40 FPS is the maximum if you can actually play in the Poco X3. But in the Realme 6 you can actually play with the 60 FPS as well by using this kind of smooth and extreme setting. That's what the difference is between both phones. So now for the gamers, so which phone is the best? So definitely if you want to have really smooth experience like 60 FPS gaming, then absolutely the Realme 6 is the best. But right now the Realme 6 is really old phone, 1 year old phone. But try to choose the same kind of processor which is present in other phones, maybe MediaTek Helio G90T processor. So then you will be able to enjoy this kind of 60 FPS throughout the time. As you can see right now, which I am trying to get 60 FPS. And you can actually compare it in both phones in terms of the FPS count. Right now 41 FPS in the Poco X3, and the Realme 6 I am getting about 60 FPS. You can clearly see friends the difference, how much it is. So this is what the difference can be there between both phones. So for the gaming, I'll definitely recommend try to choose the phone which has got really good graphics. That is the reason of me making this many videos, just by comparing the default settings. So a lot of people, they don't want their account to get banned by using the GFX tool. So that is the reason they should know what phone they are buying and what is the default settings they are getting. That's absolutely necessary right now. So in case if you don't know, then definitely you'll end up like this. And if you don't get in the first place high graphics, there's I think 50 chances that the game might get updated later on. So before you buy only, you should know which phone has got what type of graphics. As you can see friends, exactly. So this is a small just gameplay which I was just showing you the real proof it is which phone has got what type of graphics. And thank you for watching this video friends, and make sure to stay tuned for more updates. In case if you want me to do any other videos, let me know in the comment section below. See you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Bye.